Ngonyalam ka United Democratic Party uba po Lyngdoh. Ulo ongba on Iakhun hagabai election Shillong Lok Sabha. Kablami hadian ke jingklat no jong MP Dr. Ricky E. Singkon. U MLA ka West Shillong ulaong ba ka jingmut jong minta kalong bentre na ka benta ka jylla. Namardang bun kikam kibahapan pendem. Ukwa ban pendep purai ka samoy jong ka assembly ban pinhun ya kipat ba. Lada ka party ka kerpa dia u ban Iakhun ulaong Ngan Kyntait da ka Jingburom. Syapang ka election GHADC ulaong ba ka party kampat Shimrai namar kampat Syong Jingelang.
As has been mentioned by Party General Secretary, we are yet to take any call.
So, but you are planning to put up candidate.
I'm not aware because the party is yet to meet.
But what is the scope of the party? Because
I really have no idea because I have been preoccupied with the budget session, and thereafter I have also been preoccupied with activities of the Social Welfare Department.
also, can you also tell by poll, because you in the past
No. I have decided to focus entirely on state politics because there is so much to be done in the state, and there is a clear gap of capable leaders within the state. Therefore, my entire focus as of this moment is within the jurisdiction of the state of Meghalaya.
But don't you feel you'll
We have capable leaders, but you will also realize that we have just crossed the 2.5 year mark of the current house. I would like to ensure that I complete this term to the satisfaction of not just the electorate of 18 West Shillong constituency, but also the state of Meghalaya.
but if the party makes a request to you to contest,
I will likely decline such a request.
Had a long day? Feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams. All in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.